What is Python slicing? Imagine you have a delicious pizza and you want to share it with your friends, but each person has different preferences for toppings. Python slicing is like slicing the pizza into different pieces to give each friend exactly the part they want.
Oh, come on!
You can use slicing to extract portions of a list, tuple or string. The general syntax for slicing is this, where start is the index of the first element you want to include in the slice, stop is the index of the first element you want to exclude from the slice goes up to but does not include this index, step is an optional value that specifies the step size between elements in the slice. It determines how many elements to skip each time. Here are some examples to make it more clear. Example 1. Slicing a list. Get the first 3 toppings, index 0 to 2. If you don't add step, Python sets the default value of 1. Get every other topping starting from the second one, index 1 to the end, step size is 2. If you leave it empty like this, Python will assume you are talking about the end of the string, list or tuple. Example 2. Slicing a string. Get the first part of the pizza, index 0 till 8. Get every other topping starting from the second one, index 10 to the end, step size is 2. That is one awkward looking pizza. Example 3. Negative slicing. You can even use negative values to count from the end of the list or string. Get the last 2 toppings, negative indices -2 to the end. Get every other toppings in reverse order, negative indices -2 to the end, step size being -2. And there you have it. Python slicing is making your code more flavorful and efficient. Enjoy your programming pizza party.